Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share about data science product apps. So, as you know about like data science, also have a life cycle and product building a product also have a life cycle. So let's combine these two life cycle together, and so it kind of an iteration. And for example, data science means we need to understand the business problem, ask a relevant question, then after we need to identify the right choice of data sources, and then after that we need to combine those data and build a meaningful data by doing a data pre-processing step, cleaning data cleaning, and then data cleaning like you need to remove the um, um, you need to remove that uh, you need to remove the unwanted data or else like dirty data, and then the data which is having out of the range interquartile range, it's like an outlier data you need to remove some certain of machine learning algorithm. And these processes, after that, once you identify the right choice of valid data which is going for a machine learning training and testing validation scenarios, then after you need to you do data visualization by comparing the original data before ml model training and testing, after ml model training and testing, then after from that particular machine learning model, you need to share the insights like data storytelling way from the data visualization. And these are like major steps for the data science, especially for the data analytics and machine learning path. So that not only a limitation, that should be like even for a big data also it is applicable, so we didn't no need to go very in depth on that. So this is like a life cycle. And then product, when it comes to product, means product design, product development, and product marketing to fit into the iteration of each things, in a design phase itself, how you want to build a product for the data science life cycle is basically comprises of those steps from the identifying a business problem. Those are like human to human interaction will happen, where it starts from the it's after combining a data from the data pre-processing steps like data cleaning, data wrangling, and then bringing up to the level of valid data. So we need to do a data validation of data cleansing. So once you identify right validation of data, so these are like a design phase. You need to identify the product design. So product design not only as a web, as well as it should be like a mobile. And if there is any future version of it, or any kind of a products like a smart classes, smart high classes, not only high classes, they are building it out like a foldable devices nowadays is came. Samsung has this capability. So other things like so different so it's kind of a ux research, user experience research, and product research. You have to do it in the product design phase itself to have this categories. And after this data science life cycle we need to develop. So we need to build like a product versioning. The product version should support multi-device capabilities. And and then the product development, after that product marketing. When you get into the product marketing, you need to very much uh, aware of how your product having a optimization capabilities like digital optimizations, and which will provide like a quick of access to the end users. So the product marketing phase, the end customer, it should be like smooth, easy, and it should have a number of steps avoided in the workflow. So basically data science is an workflow. You have to design in a such a way in the product which will arrive like different stages of like data science life cycle. We need to put into the pieces of product design, one iteration you need to decide device, you need to decide multiple device capability, and you need to apply that into the product development for multiple devices, so that when comes to the product marketing, it is having a very smooth transition. And then it should be like as well as you need to think about like upgraded versions. For example, first initial version you build one product for the data science workflow, and then next product versions you need to see like what are the business outcomes, what are the business outcomes have repeated scenarios. You need to create like a automatic design workflows, data science workflows in the product design and development, so that even in your inside internal communications, and then when people are started upgrading, people can able to build a product strategy, digital product strategies for how you make a product into the upgraded version from say like 1.0 version you initially released, and then in a 2.0 version, it should be like a smooth transition. What are the key characteristics and key metrics, product key metrics you have to decide it. These are the things need to consider for the product upgrade. So that's all about data science product apps. So data science product apps, basically we are combining into the data science life cycle or data science workflows into a product workflow. So thank you for watching.